Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is going to be a video to show you guys how to replace the battery in your Lexus or Toyota key fob. So to open the key fob, the only thing you're actually going to need is the key fob itself. So first thing you're going to do is actually remove the key by pushing on this little tab on the bottom here. Just going to push it and then slide it right out. Alright, so after you remove the key, the next thing you're going to do is actually take the key itself. And you can see there's a little slot right here on the key fob. You're just going to put the key right there and then you're just going to twist it just like that. And that's going to go ahead and pop the key fob open. After you got it open, you're just going to go ahead and lay it down on a flat surface. And then you can just go ahead and hold this part down. And then you're going to take something to pry the battery up just like that till it pops out. You can use a small screwdriver like this one, a flat one, or you can actually just use a butter knife just to get in there to pop it out. Then you just go ahead and pop the new battery in, just like that, where it clips down. You're gonna take the key fob cover, the back part, put it like that, and then you can just go ahead and snap it back together. After you're done with that, you'll go ahead and put the key in and lock it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.